Welcome to the show. El Caps to Honorable Carlito Marquez, welcome to Move to Lifestyle Check Oakland politicians. Marquez was elected as the 14th governor with an overwhelming mandate during the May 10, 2004 elections. He was re-elected for a second term in May 2007. He popularized and exemplified the economic slogan, "No one is condemned to poverty."
Thank you, sir. Government's mission is to develop Oakland's agri-industrial capabilities to complement the booming ecotourism industry, improve education. Thank you.